You're washed, Uzi.
Try it.
What's up, everyone? Y'all are slowly moving away from this experience, but now you're back for an episode of You Make It, We Skate It. And you may be wondering, Gabe Cruz, what is You Make It, We Skate It? Well, basically, it's a series, JD, where someone makes us a skateboard and then we skate on the skateboard.
Oh my God. My God.
Do you have anything that we can open this with?
Actually, I can't do this. This is my dad's. I don't want to mess it up.
JD is starting a new trend every single video. He's going to tell one dad joke. So JD, go ahead.
What do you call a fish with a bow tie? I already told all the guys this one, but I'm going to say it for the video. Sophisticated.
Leave it in the comments below if that was the greatest joke you've ever heard. All right, we got some foam in here. Let's go ahead and see what's inside.
I feel like it would have been much easier for you to just pull it out. Oh, God.
No!
Do the honors, I'll read the note. To the Braille team, hey, my name is Jesse from Massachusetts. I love watching your channel, especially the You Make It, We Skate It series. So I decided to send you guys a board made from a snowboard and my old motorcycle seat. Someone should for sure ride it without shoes. Also, I'd love to see you guys try to break it. Just have fun with it and do your thing. Keep making amazing videos. From Jesse at jduffy91 on Instagram.
Take off your shoes.
Take off the shoes, Nigel.
Yeah, right.
Take off the shoes.
Oh my God, this is soft. I don't like that.
You won't have to pay for that Instagram subscription.
Caves in, so you can't really like pop it too. Oh, something broke. JD, you got kickflip on this?
All right, well, what we got here?
Man, this is a nice. Bro, these gummy bears are the truth, though. What kind of seat is this?
Motorcycle.
Bro, try it.
No.
You don't try anything.
You want to go one letter, free for all? Let's see it.
Nope. I don't know how you pop it.
I kind of like this. It won't mess up your shoes if you kickflip. Pressure? I really want the kickflip. Bro, come on, you gotta give me that. I'll redo it though.
Can't even see the bolts.
And win.
Oh!
Oh!
Too bad I almost landed it, and I'm getting closer and closer. So if you miss this right here, I'm gonna land it, dude. You can't even get the rotation.
Ref!
That was not toe.
Oh! That might have cut. Check the knee.
Everyone in these comments need to flame Gabe again, bro,
For what?
for not seeing, for saying I didn't toe, for saying I toe tapped.
I didn't say anything. Hey, this is between y'all. I'm just filming. I didn't say anything. Oh!
Me and him are having a one trick off right now.
Man, put your front foot further back.
Oh!
Oh!
Front shove?
Go, you're flicking straight out. Do one where you flick super down.
Oh!
Pressure, heel flip, body varial? I told you you ain't gonna have it next try because I'm gonna land it that time.
First try?
You got 2 tries.
I didn't pop.
That's a dub.
What'd I tell you, fella? I'm
Whatever.
a kickflip king.
Whatever.
Well, we're gonna see JD's challenge right now. We're gonna see him. I want to just do a little see how long it's gonna take JD to kickflip this because I need to see where I stand in the Braille rankings right now.
That didn't help at all. Oh, it's so weird.
Flicking too fast.
Oh, there it is.
See? All right. We got a real kickflip man.
4 tries actually, including
Maybe
the first
we're gonna do it's a weight thing on this thing, but hey, wow! Shout out JD, that was literally phenomenal. You don't understand how hard that was.
Oh, you got the 3 shove.
3 shove. Oh. Alright, I'll let you go the 5.
Back
First
big
try.
spin.
You're gonna ollie the 5? Let's see it. I know everyone wants to see this.
Sand it. Oh, you need to go so much faster? You need to go like 3 times as fast.
You need to get a push in.
You have to push him. Oh! What you got on this, JD?
I don't know.
Oh no! What? Wait, how'd you lose a shoe?
Lizard King would be hype.
Sometimes all you gotta do is believe, Glow.
Yeah, you're right about that.
Wow!
Nothing but bolts. Shout out that.
What you doing?
Question is, what are you doing?
I was watching and admiring that thing down the stairs.
All right, JD, send it. No way, Feeble? Oh!
Oh my god. I wasn't trying that, but I'll take that too.
Back Smith? Feeble fakie?
You make no sense. It makes no sense.
Dang, front Smith? Feeble fakie, oh my.
I don't know what to try now. Oh.
You like those big?
There you go.
Oh!
Hey, it's got him on the edge of his seat.
Oh! Uzi, you could say this one really gets the motor running. Oh! Oh! Wow!
Gotta get it.
That was such a good maul blunt, JD.
Think I got that?
You can get that, yeah. Oh! No way. What is that even called, damn?
What?
Nope, I hot pocketed my foot.
You know, it kind of from far away, Dan, looks like a loaf of bread. Elite Chick-fil-A. Oh!
Make up and the birds are sitting there looking right at me.
Oh!
Whoa!
Yeah!
Alright, I'm gonna sit down.
Sit down in the shade, JD. You did great.
This is a great chair too.
What do you think about this board?
This board, something.
Is it better as a board or is it better as a chair?
Chair for sure.
You know what it looks like? Old school Frieza Force Saiyan armor.
I don't know what that means.
Someone in the comments knows what I mean.
Like a samurai?
There we are. JD, you absolutely killed it. Glow, kickflip was incredible. Uzi, going stealth mode, even more incredible. I just want to show you guys the bolts literally bent. I think probably on the firecracker is what my assumption is.
foot, bro.
But dude, I don't know how this is working. The tail is now better than ever. It's held up, good bike seat. We're not gonna break this. We don't wanna break this. We're taking this back to the Braille house and many other videos are gonna be made with this. So if you wanna send in a You Make It We Skate It, go ahead and submit it here. Skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. I will check it out. I will read your email, send us some pictures, and we'll make sure you can send it here and we make a video with it. There's some videos right there over where Uzi is. Subscribe, like, leave those comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Am I calling someone?
No, that was me.